You see the padlock in your browser. Your SSL is active, your site loads on HTTPS, everything looks fine. But here's the truth that most security guides won't tell you. The padlock just means the connection is encrypted. It says nothing about what's happening inside your server, your database, or your admin panel. Today, we're going beyond the padlock. I'm giving you 5 advanced, practical ways to harden your website security. First up, a web application firewall, or WAF. Think of your server like a VIP venue. SSL is the dress code sign out front. A WAF is the actual bouncer at the door, the one who looks at every single person trying to get in and decides, you're allowed, you're not. A WAF sits between the internet and your server and filters incoming traffic in real time. SQL injection attempts, cross-site scripting, malicious bots. It catches all of that before it ever touches your application. Here's a pro tip that even a lot of developers skip. HSTS, HTTP Strict Transport Security. Here's the problem. When someone types your domain into a browser without HTTPS, there's a split second where the browser makes an unencrypted request before your server redirects them to the secure version. That split second, attackers can exploit it. It's called an SSL stripping attack. HSTS eliminates that gap entirely. It tells the browser upfront, only ever connect to this site over HTTPS. No exceptions, no redirects needed. You implement it by adding a single header to your server configuration, one line. And once a browser has seen it, it will never attempt an unsecured connection to your site again. It's one of the highest impact, lowest effort security upgrades you can make. Most website security advice focuses on the front end, but your real vulnerability, it's usually in the back, in your database. Your database is where customer information, transaction records, and login credentials actually live. And if it's not hardened, a single successful attack can expose all of it. Database hardening means a few key things. First, principle of least privilege. Your web application should only have the database permissions it actually needs. If it only needs to read and write customer orders, it should not have permission to drop tables or access user passwords. Second, encrypt sensitive fields at rest. Hashing passwords is standard, but consider encrypting other sensitive columns like email addresses or payment references as an extra layer. Third, restrict database access by IP. Your database should never be openly accessible from the public internet. Whitelist only the specific servers that need to connect to it. That alone closes a massive attack surface. Here's something that surprises a lot of business owners. A huge portion of the traffic hitting your website right now is probably not human. Bots, automated scripts, are constantly scanning websites for vulnerabilities, scraping your content, and running what's called credential stuffing attacks. That's where they take leaked username password combinations from other breaches and try them against your login page, thousands of times per minute. A simple CAPTCHA helps, but it's not enough against sophisticated bots. Effective bot management means rate limiting your login endpoints, blocking any IP that attempts too many logins in a short time. It means monitoring for abnormal traffic patterns. Last one, and possibly the most important, multi-factor authentication for every admin account. MFA means that even with the correct password, an attacker still can't get in without a second factor, a one-time code, an authenticator app, a hardware key. Enforce MFA on your CMS admin, your hosting control panel, your cloud dashboard, your DNS provider, anywhere that, if compromised, could bring your whole operation down. No exceptions for convenience. So there it is, 5 layers that go well beyond the padlock. You don't have to implement all 5 overnight. Start with MFA today, then work your way through the list. If you found this useful, subscribe and leave a comment telling me which of these 5 you're tackling first. We're building this resource library for business owners like you, and every comment helps us know what to cover next. See you in the next one.